Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make a progress bar in Notions, and it will be a complete updated video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I am really talking about, so I already make an the updated bar, like it is the progress bar. So we are going to make this progress bar for us. So here I will give a name that will be progress bar, and then here I will provide this slash, then database inline. I will select this one and I will give a name that will be sample progress bar. And here, as you can see, we have the name. So I will give the name will be script. Then I will add a property here. So I will add the property here. As you can see, you can add your property if you want. So I will add the number. So here I will click this one number, then I will go to the edit privacy, and from that privacy you can change your property. Like here you can see show as 45 number, or we can change it as a bar. So I will select the color. So I think this kind of color will be good, or you can give default color also. Then here you can divide it by any number, then you can give show number options. So I think this might be a good. So I will provide a number that I write an script which is around 25%. Then let's hit enter, and here actually can see that our progress bar is working. So this is the easiest and simplest way to create the progress bar in Notion. So I hope you learned so much thing from this one video. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.